How to become financially free with just £30,000. I'm going to reveal everything that you need to know. But before I give you all of my secrets, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Hey, what's up everyone? It's Katie Wilson here, and in today's video, I'm going to reveal an incredible strategy that will blow your mind. Are you ready to learn how to buy not one, but an infinite number of houses with just £30,000? Now I know it sounds unbelievable, but trust me, it's absolutely possible. So sit back, relax, and get ready to dive into some game-changing methods that are going to revolutionize your approach to property investment. Before we jump into the details, let's address the common misconception you might be thinking. Katie, if I'm buying houses with just £30,000, then they're going to be cheap like the budgie. Okay, undesirable locations, right? Wrong. We're not talking about run-down houses or compromises here. I'm talking about nice, well-maintained houses that you can rent out and generate substantial income from. And here's the best part. You can achieve all of this with just £30,000, or even less if you don't have that amount saved up yet. So, you're probably wondering, how is this even possible? Well, get ready to have your mind blown, because I'm about to unveil the groundbreaking strategy that will completely change the way you think about property investment. You see, the traditional approach is all about buying a property. It involves saving up for years and using that money to purchase just one house. But let me tell you, that method is slow, it's outdated, and it's time to adopt a different mindset. One that the wealthy use to build their property empires and achieve true financial freedom. So currently, the average price in the UK is around £300,000. Now, if you were to buy an average house, you would typically need a 25% deposit, which amounts to £75,000. And then when you add in additional costs like stamp duty, tax, legal fees, you're looking at approximately, let's say, 90k just to buy one house. But this is where the magic happens. We're going to focus on properties with great potential, but in need of some refurbishment. These houses are undervalued due to their condition, which means you can purchase them at significantly lower prices. And here's the best bit. Traditional mortgage lenders won't want to lend on these properties in their current state as they are. This means that there's less competition. So let's say you find a rundown house priced at £100,000. It needs some work, but it has immense potential. Here's how we can make this happen. Instead of relying on traditional mortgages, we use a specialist financing option called bridging, a bridging loan. Now, a bridging loan acts as a bridge between the initial purchase and obtaining a mortgage. In this case, you would secure the property with a bridging loan that covers 85% of the purchase price, including funds for refurbishment. We contribute £15,000 along with additional expenses like legal fees. Okay. Now, of course, you're going to have to pay the bridging company their services. Typically, they charge around 1% per month. However, here is another cool thing. You don't have to pay stamp duty on these properties. So after you complete the refurbishments, the house value increases. Let's say £200,000 as a round number. Like the others in the street, it's now time for the next step, which is getting a remortgage. Now, this involves approaching a buy-to-let lender or a mortgage company who will assess the house and approve a loan based on its current condition, its new improved condition. Hopefully they'll be impressed with the new features such as fresh carpets and the fact that you've taken it from whatever it was to an excellent condition. Maybe you've put a new kitchen in, maybe you've put a new bathroom in. They will then lend you £150,000, which is 75% of the new value, to be specific. So you're going to get 150 grand from the lender. Now, here's where it gets really exciting. You're going to take that 150 grand and first you're going to pay off your bridging loan. You owe them 85 grand plus fees and interest, so about 10k worst case scenario for their interest. And then you get your initial investment back plus £55,000 in profit. What you've just done there is you've just grown your money. Now you've got 30k back, plus you've made 15k profit, and you've got a house with £50,000 of equity in it, and then you can just keep recycling that money and do the same again. Can you imagine the possibilities? This is how wealthy people invest and create incredible property portfolios. So let's go and make it happen. I hope you found this video eye-opening and inspiring. And if you did, don't forget to smash that like button and share it with your friends and family. Let's spread the word and empower more people to achieve financial success through property investment. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more game-changing strategies and valuable insights. And remember, your journey to financial freedom starts right here. So stay motivated, stay focused, and I will catch you in the next video. I've been Katie Wilson, and I hope to see you soon.